I know when you text me, girl, I don't always reply. Well, you're not.
What's up, guys? It is your girl Shay, and you are watching Glamplified Beauty. Did you miss me? Anyway, in today's video, I just wanted to bring you guys a new product that I received, and this is an Instagram indie company. Her name is Ciara. Hey, Ciara. She brought to me 2 lip glosses. Y'all know I love my lip glosses because I love my lip glosses be popping, okay? Hold on, I had to do the check, okay? So I'm wearing one right now. This is in the shade Seduce, y'all. And I'm gonna show y'all a clip of her promo, which I think is bomb. It is bomb, y'all. She cute. It's cute. I love it. But she sent me these lip glosses here, and this is Damp by CeCe. There it goes right there. And this is in the shade Seduce. And then I have this one, which is already open, as you can tell, because I used it. This is Damp. No, this is the company Damp, and the shade is called Berry. So I'm gonna swatch it for you guys so you can see what it looks like. And these are gorgeous, y'all. These is, they make you look like you I don't want to say it, but you know, they make your lips look fine. And they smell good. This has like a berry smell. Does berry. It has a berry smell, y'all. That is berry. And berry has like red glitter, holographic glitters in it. Or is it pink? I think it's pink glitters and it's holographic. So that is what that looks like up close. So y'all can see the red glitters. And then we have Seduce, which is more like a coral salmon-y color, and it's a metallic looking color, which I am wearing on my lips right now. So I'm gonna swatch that as well so you guys can see them. Alright, so here it is right here. This is, don't mind that swatch. This is Berry, and this is Seduce. And they both smell bomb, y'all. They smell bomb. They feel bomb. They moisturizing on my lips. They don't have, you know, they're not tacky. They're not sticking together like some lip glosses would do. Look at them. Look, it's making me damp. Okay, it's making me damp because I love my lip glosses, and this is, I'm all hyped. So I just wanted to bring to you guys these lip glosses here from Uniquely Strut, but I will have all her information down below, her Instagram, and where you can find these at. I want to say thank you to Ciara. Thank you, Ciara, for sending me these. I love them. I need some more, but I love them, and I'm going to be wearing them in future videos, so y'all be on the lookout for those. But yeah, I just wanted to say thank you and show you guys these bomb lip glosses that I received.
When you keep on staring at me, keep on staring at me, I know you want me for sure. When you keep on touching me, I can't get you off my mind. The way you smell, so good. I love you. Damp by CeCe. Available now at uniquestrut.com.
And this is how it came in this package right here. And then I have the Uniquely Strut right here. I will have the link down below if you are interested in buying any of her lip glosses. She also sells handbags, clutches, wallets, things of that nature. So if y'all are interested in that kind of stuff, I will have her link down below. And it says, "Dear favorite strut girl, you are beautiful just the way you are. Show your smile and continue to strut, girl. XOXO CeCe." There's the card right there. And then what else do we have? This says Damp by CeCe. And then we have 2 lip glosses. one of which I'm going to wear today. This is what they look like here. They both say damp. And this one is a more corally shade. This corally shade is called Seduce. And then we have this one. It is called Berry. And Berry is the one that I'm going to be wearing today, y'all. So, yeah. Just wanted to show y'all that real quick. Thank you, Ciara. So, if you are new, hey girl, hey, I see you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. And hit that notification bell. That is right next to 2 or 2 A's. That way you won't miss another video from me. But without further ado, I got to go. So, I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye, glam dolls.